y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. So I'm like walking right now, walking around the neighborhood. It feels pretty good outside today. It's like 69 right now, so it's really warm, but even though I got a hoodie on. But I'm so excited for Vlogmas this month. You know, I have a lot of stuff in store for y'all. So tomorrow I am going to be moving, so I'm gonna definitely be documenting that for you guys, you know, going to the store, buying furniture and everything like that. So I'm very excited. So I'm gonna finish my walk and then I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit. Good afternoon, y'all. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Saturday. It is like in the afternoon. It's the afternoon now. I just been like sitting here editing and doing a lot of work and stuff. So I really kind of been behind a little bit, but now I'm about to get up, get my day started. Well, really already started, but I'm gonna go out, go look at a couple furniture places and look at some furniture stuff because I'm supposed to be moving pretty soon. So I'm gonna go look at some furniture stuff, kind of just, you know, get a general idea of what I'm going to decorate my house like. So, you know, stay tuned for that. I'm definitely gonna, you know, be documenting my journey for that. But I'm gonna catch y'all back in a little bit. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. As you can see, I am in my new home. I have not filmed my empty house tour yet, so I'm gonna do that today. But yeah, so I just woke up. I'm about to like clean up and stuff, and then my security guy is here, so he's installing my security to my house and stuff, so I'm definitely excited about that. And then my some of my furniture is getting delivered today as well, so I have a lot of stuff to do, but right now I'm just about to get ready, like, you know, get my day started and stuff. And then I'm gonna clean up a little bit because there's stuff everywhere. But yeah, so I'm gonna get right into that. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
off the system here in just a minute, and it will generate an email to you.
Okay.
At that email address we just verified, and that will have your temporary username and password to sign into the Home Life app. Let's see, we're right here.